Hello everybody and welcome back to Breath of Fire 1. Last time we defeated we destroyed the city. Then we will go east to Windia. No, wait. Okay. While we are going there, we need to grind for money, for income. Ow. Thank you. I should eat lunch some lunch earlier, but I will just record for now because I'm so sleepy earlier than when I drank this. Oh, I love it. I wake up immediately, but I don't like the artificial of the orange, pale orange. And I apologize if there is any noise you will hear because this microphone they have this pretty basics of the basics, so I don't have any expensive mics yet because I don't have a computer, so I'm going to save some money to have a computer, then buy some new microphone. So basics of the basics for now. This is the city I destroyed earlier on the last weeks. Then later on I will record. I haven't written a memoir yet earlier. It's always like very late at night, then early and very early in the morning technically, and there's no sun yet. That's where I that's where I write a lot. Okay. Okay. East, right? Nope. Wait, what? Where am I going? I really like the idea of the okay. I just need to go there. Okay, I forgot. Wait. Let's drink some water. I don't drink the soda yet because I haven't eaten proper food, only junk food earlier. So I was streaming for 2 hours, like playing a lot of arcades. It's on an emulator on my phone, so I play here a lot. I love it. Not gonna lie though, I miss those games when I was a wee lad, like 3-4 years old. That my uncle always brings me to the nearest arcade here in my area. Then when going to a carnival back in the day, we are going there we are going to Araneta. There's a carnival there back in the day, but now it doesn't exist anymore. Sad, but hey, at least I experienced those. That's where I got traumatized on my aunt or uncle bring me on a bumper car. That's where I cried a lot, like then I caught a cold because of that. I don't know, but it's just stupid for me that I need to I need to have a call because of that petty thing. Okay. 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 I was like, when my aunts, uncles, aunties, I, and my aunts, uncles, grandpa, and grandma bring me to any occasion like that, because I was like the second eldest, second elder on the family, on the fourth generation of the family. There is the cousin of mine before me, like 1 year. We are just 1 year apart on age wise. Then myself was just later in 1 year. So a little bit of a lore about me. What? Due to the karma wizard, this cave is close to all foot traffic. Alright, thank you. Thank you for that. This is windy. Okay, thank you very much. And I'm going to sleep. Wait, let me scrounge a little bit on the places here. Okay. Oh my god. I can't. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Yes, thank you. Do you wish to tell me your story? Yes, I will. Your journey has been recorded. Good luck. Okay, let's go. I think we are going to do some scrounging around. We'll do some skulking for now because I want some loot. No. When I grow up, I'm gonna fly real high like my brothers and sisters. You're trying to get to Scan why ever for? Well, you can get there by sea. There's a port in Aurea City. Thank you very much. Is there something there? See protein. Alright. Oh man, that goblin. Ew. Potion. Okay, let's find some upgrades. Ish. Bronze 800. Glass and chain. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, wait. Glass, ranger, leather, chain. Was it better? Oh, you're welcome. That's pretty polite of you. Okay. Still wooden. Thank you very much. And then this guy, I think. Welcome to my item shop. Okay, see. Welcome to my storage. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Have you never met Fade before? We're more than just wing people. As adults, each of us can become a great bird. Oh. Oh man. We've also been threatened by the Dark Dragon brood, but we won't give in. Okay, nice. You seek an audience with His Majesty. Ah, so you want to cross the bridge. Good luck with that. He isn't seeing anyone lately. Well, yeah, I know. Hmm. Eat the fruit. Oh man. Oh. Oh, lupa. The Dark Wizard Karmar Tower has allied himself with the Dark Dragons. Wait, what? Not much in the way of good news these days, have you heard? The Wizard of Karma Tower has allied himself with the Dark Dragons. Okay. Wink. Wink. Wonk. I'm going outside again. Okay, let's go. Ay, 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 ay. Excuse me. Okay, let's go. Let's explore to the top. Oh. His Majesty hasn't left his chambers in a while. I hope he's alright. His Majesty was sent an offer by the Dark Dragon Brood. Naturally, he refused. He will not betray the other kingdoms. Okay. Are you all interested in world folklore? I've read legend of a warrior who could transform into a dragon. Now that's a power beyond reckoning. I've heard the Volva had to flee their forest due to the Dark Dragons. They now live in Tatar village. Northeast of here is Romero village, but I'd steer clear if I was you. Okay. Okay, let's trigger something for story bits. Okay, then end the episode. Hail, good traveler, what brings you to India? An audience with His Majesty, is it? I see, please wait here. Princess Nina, we have another traveler asking to see the king. Should I tell him that His Majesty is ill? Absolutely not. If word gets out that father's been poisoned, the people will panic. Just keep him busy until I can track down the toxant. Your Highness, with all due respect, I don't think it'll be that easy. Why don't we? Your Highness, the traveler is still waiting. Right, show him to one of the guest rooms, please. Ask him to stay until the king is available. Your Highness, are you going to search for the Dedoxan by yourself? I can take care of it. I can take care of myself. I'm not a child anymore. I have a feeling that she intends to reappropriate the Dedoxan from the wizard himself. Her brazen tendencies always worries me. Heh, that's our princess for you. Tell you what, I'll task my 2 finest royal guard with helping her out. Thank you. His Majesty won't see any at the moment. Until that changes, would you stay in the castle as our honored guest? Yes, I will. Thank you. Here you are. Please consider this place your home. I too must do my part for king and country. Wow, that's a dedication that I will never see in any true king. Maybe the only king that I will worship is the person who died and resurrected. His Majesty fell ill after opening Zorgon's letter. It must have been coated with poison. It all reeks of the Karma Wizard. After all, that's his favorite tactic. Ever since this sickness, you've done your duties well. I am glad Vindia will have the ruler it needs even after I'm gone too. Parma Tower is on the other side of the Northwest Mountains. We could mount an attack, but it leaves us open to a Dark Dragon invasion. Yeah, for sure. Wait, what? Where am I go? Where can I? Okay, that was stupid. Receive herb. Okay, all right. Leather, bandana, antidote, herb. Oh, level 9. Alright. Please be careful. Is it okay in sleep? Sarah. Our one's name, maybe a girlfriend? I think not. Okay. Alright, let's take some new things. Good evening, Your Highness. What brings you here at this hour? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Your Highness. What brings you here at this hour? Nothing much. I am just scrounging some loot because I need it. Okay, yeah. I've heard Volpa had to flee their forest to the dragons. They now live at Tatar village. Are you all interested? Okay. Okay. By the royal decree, His Majesty no one may cross the eastern bridge. Okay. Ow, my body. Yes. Do you wish to tell me your story? Oh. Okay, let's go. Then let's level her up, I think. Wait. If I am correct here, she is the mage in the whole game. She's the mage here. Boink. I knew it. Greetings, Princess Nina. Our names are Rai and Sig. We've been assigned to assist you in your search for the Toxan. Do you accept? Yes. Sig and Rai join the party. Okay, nothing. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay. Okay. There you go. Dead. Multivitamins. Okay. Alright. Okay. Dead. Leather. Alright. Wait. Can the princess wear it? Wait. Ow. Can't equip her, right? Then. Okay, 150, 200. Okay, 150 Zenny. There you go. Wait, let me heal myself first. Okay. $70 Zenny, alright. Okay. Ew. Okay. There. There you go, dead. Iron ore. For what? Okay. What is the purpose of that? Okay. We need to help. Okay. Let's move forward for now. Okay. I will not use any mana first yet. Because I am not going to be down. It will be down. Because of the boss coming here. I am sure we'll need a lot of healing. At least I am already a little bit. Bam. Nice. There you go. Dead. No, nice. Nice herb. Oh, okay. Before I forgot, we'll check that thing. Okay. Taser. Wait, what? Can I? Okay, not. I cannot equip those. How about your friends? How about your friends? Can they equip the oh, they're not. Okay, nothing. Okay. Okay. I am not allowed to go there. Ow. Okay. Potato. Icicle. Okay, for okay. Okay. What brings you to Romero? Are you here to check out the floating island of Basura to the northwest, or are you heading through Ramoy routes to the west? Okay. I'm back from my eternal sleep. I missed my wife. Oh no. He says he missed me, hehe. I guess he should have been around more often when he was alive. Okay, they've been brainwashed by something eerie. Okay. Okay, nothing. wish to tell me your story. Okay. I was brought back to life by the toxin. I haven't felt the need to eat, but everything right has rain otherwise. Oh no. Ever since I returned from the dead, I've felt weak and faint. I wonder if that's normal. Uh, Ever since I returned from the dead, I've felt weak and faint. Wonder if that's normal. I was broke up alive and feeling okay. Oh lordy Lord. Oh no. This is the scary part of the game. Not in a not very blatant, but is this hole here? Or is this hole here? I mean, okay. Let's check it. Karma Tower is filled with sorts of nasty creatures. The village girls have all left. Perhaps they grew tired of country life. Even the color of the ground still is tainted, all because of that potion. Okay, let's talk to other people. You sure pick a fine time to visit our village. Our young women have disappeared and the undead prowl at night. Thank you very much for that. The wizard used a potion to revive the dead, but they live as zombies. Okay. This is the evacuation center. Some sort. Okay, this is where they. Okay, nothing here. Okay, this is the people. The young women of the village have vanished. It all started after the wizard began dabbling in alchemy. The zombies only move at night. They sleep in the dark. They sleep in dark place during the day. Alright, thank you for the information for that. Reveal. Okay. Come to my weapon shop. Okay. Cape chain silk. Okay. Brass for this guy. Okay. Thank you. This is where we are going now for now, but we need to buy. We need to buy something first. There you go. No. Zenny. Your balance is 800. Yes, please. Everything. Okay. Let's. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. This is zombies. Alright then. Yes. Okay. This is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But